good about getting your car waxed, other than protecting your paint, it definitely makes the car look so much better. Everything just slides right off, from the debris, from the water, even the ashes that happen to fall from the sky. Luckily, we didn't get affected by the fires since we're not directly in Los Angeles, but we did get some local ones here in Ventura County. Regardless, driving on the freeway pretty much pushed the ashes away. I don't know if that makes sense, but the car looks outstanding after it all fell off. Shout out to my stepdad for waxing the SI, which it desperately needed. I'm not gonna lie, I think it was maybe since my wedding day that I have gotten it waxed. I'm sure you guys also noticed that I took off my rear aero flap, and that is because I got tired of not being able to see my rear view mirror. Regardless, there is another one that I've been keeping my eye on that I think would make the car look a little bit better than its traditional stock spoiler. There is a duckbill that I saw a couple SI coupes have, but I'm not sure if I am sold on how it looks. But yeah, it's been an interesting couple of, dude, I guess you can say months, because I haven't posted anything for you guys since November, or the end of November. So December was just really busy, and then January, like, just a lot of stuff happened in between. So sorry if I'm late, but I hope you guys had a good Christmas, a good New Year's. I mean, mine was okay. I mean, it was Leia's first Christmas, but we had an unfortunate event that day. It's not so weird to talk about right now, maybe because either I don't know if I got over it, but I learned how to deal with it. But you guys remember Arkham, my pug? Unfortunately, he's gone. He somehow got out of my house through the window on Christmas Eve, and we found him the next day. He's gone. So that was a unexpected Christmas walk-in thing. I don't know, it was so stupid. And it sucks because we got Arkham because of Gotham. If anybody's been around the channel for a while, you guys remember Gotham. He's an OG of the channel. He was our first dog, and after he passed away, we ended up picking up Arkham, and now this. So it was very unfortunate to see that happen, and I don't know, it kind of made me realize that how precious time is, if that makes sense. Like right now, Leia just turned 10 months, and whenever I'm off, I want to be home. I don't want to deal with cars. I don't want to deal with anything else. I want to see her grow up, and I'm helping out the wife as much as I can, and it's crazy. Like, it's crazy how fast time is flying and how much you take it for granted. So with Arkham gone, it just made you realize, like, you don't know what's gonna happen. He wasn't even 2 years old. Me and him both shared the same birthday, and now we're just living it day by day and enjoying everything that we have. So, like, all my free time, I just like being with her. I value my time now. So it's this whole video that you guys are seeing right now, I'm not even gonna lie to you, this probably took 3 weeks to film and edit, because when I have the free time, I'd rather be doing something else, if that makes sense. I kept telling myself I need to do something. In terms for YouTube, like, I need to be more active on it, and I try, I really do. Just sometimes I'm just not motivated, because I'd rather be home and doing other things, you know? So that's not to say that I'm not gonna post ever again. I still want to do stuff to my car. There's still a lot of stuff I want to do to my car. Like, as a matter of fact, let's talk about that a little bit real quick. Performance-wise, the car is pretty much done. Unless I go like the full built route with like PPG gears for the transmission and a built motor, if need be. Like, that's it. I don't think I want to go that route if I don't need to. What I want to start doing is I want to start fixing all the things wrong with the car on the outside again, but this time I want to actually take care of it. For example, my front lip, it's cracked, but for me to replace that front lip, I need to take out the bumper. But I'm not going to do that unless I get the actual grill that I want. I'm sold on an actual authentic J's Racing grill. The one that you find on the Type Rs, that's where this style was from. I am set on that grill. The fitment is going to be great. I'm still not going to be an eyesore up close, and it's still going to be functional just like how this one is right now. So, and I believe I can reuse the same emblem holder, so that's not a big deal. And I want to get those new headlights. So from Morimoto, the version 2, the new ones, dude, those look sick. So if I'm going to take out the bumper, it's going to be because I'm going to do everything all at once. I don't want to take it off 2 or 3 times for one install. I need to fix the rear lip, the rear diffuser. I'm debating on getting the same one, the same carbon fiber accent, or just get it paint matched. My front hood scoop, I don't know if you guys noticed, I actually took off the carbon fiber hood scoop from SynthCarbon. It's actually getting redone because it started to fade after 2.5, maybe 3 years of ownership, I guess. So he reached out to me, and he pretty much said if I send it back to him, he would re-clear it and then send it back to me. So, dude, gram lights, those, chef kiss on those. Those are amazing. I love how they look. Specifically the 57DR. Now, I just don't know what color I want. I could go basic and go black again, but my heart is telling me like bronze or gunmetal or something, just to give the car a different look, to make it pop out a little bit more. I love black wheels. Black wheels on a white car look great, but I don't know if I want to do that again. Coilovers. I think it's time for me to get a set of coilovers now, dude. Like, I love how the car sits, but I kind of want to go just a little bit lower in the rear. And with the Eibach springs that I have, the Sportlines, they've done amazing work. That was literally the first mod I've done to the car, and I'm at 80,000 miles right now. 80,276 to be exact. Ooh. So I will probably go just a tad bit lower with some coilovers, get some good quality ones, maybe some BCs, and call it a day with that. Big brake kit. I don't know which one, but I know I need to get brakes soon because, like I mentioned, I'm at 80,000 miles and I am still on my stock brakes. Yes, you heard that right. Stock brakes. OEM, the ones that came from factory. Why? Because majority of my driving is all highway. I haven't needed to switch them out. I'm looking into either the 271 big brake kit, or I know a couple of you guys have seen this one where you get the, I think the BK2 Hyundai Genesis, I think it's 2011 to 2016. They're Brembo brakes with the 2017 Nissan Rogue third row rotors. Off the top of my head, I can't. Here's the picture of what I have of what needs to be used, and I heard it was a legit plug and play. If anybody's done this, actually no, I think Bryant has done this before. The one with the big turbo CVT hatch, he actually has a Type R now. So I might reach out to them and just ask them exactly what parts to use, just to see if I can get the big brake kit on my car, because red calipers on this car would definitely make it pop. Also, what's your guys' favorite thing from Starbucks? I normally like getting my coffee from home. I am hooked on their cold brews. They're like chocolate cream cold brew, the vanilla cream cold brew. Think during fall, I'm gonna say it, I'm gonna be a white girl, I had their pumpkin cream cold brew. That was pretty good. Sometimes I like talking to them in Spanish, and then I hear them switching headset to somebody else that can speak Spanish, and then I'll just switch back to English. The perfect cold brew. Fun fact, whenever I drive on the freeway when I'm cruising, I take it off sport mode and I put my lane assist because your boy's lazy. But yeah, that's gonna, I don't want to make this video too long, just wanted to say, hey, how's it going? I'm alive, we're fine, everything's great, or as much as it could be. But yeah, it took quite a while for me to get out. But anyways, guys, I'm heading to work now, so I will see you guys in another video. I hope everybody's doing great out there. I hope everybody's safe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. You guys have a good day. Peace.